Ay, Nana. Ay, Nana. Nana. We're almost there, Grandma. It's just through these trees. I think you're gonna love it.
How are you feeling, Grandma?
I'm all right, dear. Excited to see this tree of yours.
It's just up ahead through the mist. The whole hotel. It's mine.
Oh, thank you, my dear boy. I can't believe it. It's the most beautiful room I've ever seen.
Baiklah, selamat datang. Untuk 1 malam biayanya 500.000. Mohon jangan terlalu ramai setelah jam 10 malam.
Wah, terima kasih banyak. Kami sangat tidak sabar.
I've never seen anything like this.
It's breathtaking. I can't believe this view. It's stunning.
It is quite special, isn't it? We are very proud of what we built here.
We've signed the guest book. We wanted to add a little extra for you.
I can't believe it. Thank you all so very much. Oh my goodness, are you sure? That is so generous.
It was a pleasure staying here. We'll be back.
I still can't believe how beautiful this place is.
And it feels so safe up here.
Look right there. Do you see it?
Oh, wow. Zoom in on that.
This is the best photo op ever.